Hello and welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video on our channel. If you're also trying to ignore messages on Messenger, then you've come to the right video because I'm exactly going to show you how you can ignore messages on your Messenger account. If this video sounds helpful to you and you want to learn how you can also do it, make sure you stick to this video till the end. Now in the first case, if you have the chat of the person on the chat section, you can just tap and hold on the chat and you'll have an option of restrict on the second to last option. Restrict and ignoring messages are the same on Messenger, so you can just tap on restrict and that person will be immediately restricted or ignored. But however, if the person's chat is not on the chat list, you can tap on the three lines on the top left, tap on settings on the top right, and under preferences, tap on privacy and safety. And under who can reach you, you can see restricted accounts. Tap on it and tap on the human icon on the top right. From here you'd be able to pick the exact person that you want to restrict or ignore. Just select the person's name and that person will be immediately restricted. Now once this person has been restricted or ignored, they won't be able to tell that you're online, and whenever they send a message, you won't get a notification. And the only way that you can view their messages is you'll need to open up their chats, and even if you open up their chats, they won't be able to tell that you viewed their messages. So that is the benefit of restricting accounts on Messenger. So that's all it takes to ignore messages on Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.